Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing good. By this time you would have come to a conclusion what video is this. Yes guys, packing lunchbox for husband or kids is like a daily examination. If you want to get good appreciation and score well, then you have to prepare a lot. Also you should take care you give them different variety and healthy food. You need a lot of time for this. But we won't be getting this in the morning time. So here I am sharing 5 quick, different and healthy lunchbox recipes. So without any delay, we'll be getting into the video now. The first item which we are going to see is a simple veg fried rice. So I've taken some vegetables here, washed them. I've taken 2 aloo, some beans, little coriander and 2 green chilies. I've cut them into bigger pieces, 2 carrots and 1 capsicum, all finely chopped. So in a kadai I'm taking 1 big teaspoon of butter and I'll let it melt. This is a very simple and easy way of cooking. I'm not going to add any masalas here. This will be good if you cook it on Monday, because Sunday or during the weekend you can chop the vegetables and then Monday morning it's very easy for you to cook this. Also you can give a good healthy meal. So now the butter is melted and I'm adding green chilies there, carrot, you can add butter or oil or ghee, anything, but butter gives a good taste. I'm simply adding all the vegetables here. If you want, you can add onions also in the beginning before adding any vegetables. Also you can add cabbage, but these vegetables are surely good to go. It looks colorful. You know, this is one of my favorite recipe to cook and also to eat, of course. When you give it to kids, you know, the entire box will be empty. And now I'm just covering it with a lid. Reduce the flame and keep it in sim. In the meantime, I've taken 1 cup of rice and just cooked it. Now I'm just checking if the vegetables are okay to go. Make sure it doesn't burn, and add salt to taste. Just give it a stir now. Here I'm adding black pepper. That is, I'm using the pepper grinder here. Otherwise you can even use pepper powder also. This gives a different taste because you can feel the pepper coming in between. It's very healthy too. Again mixing it and just cover it again. Let it cook for some more time. If you have noticed, I didn't add water here, but if you want you can just sprinkle little water. Trust me, without water it gets cooked very well. So it's done. I'm just adding the cooked rice here. Mix it properly. Here we go. Our veg fried rice is ready. So the next part gets started. Now it is packing time. I've already prepared onion raita here. So first packing it. And now the main dish here. Actually I've taken 1 cup of rice, that is 200 grams, and it is more than enough for 2 people. You can calculate it according to your family size. So our first lunch box is ready. So I'm contented that I've given a tasty and healthy meal for day 1. This is how it looks. Now Next one is palak rice. Palak or spinach is rich in vitamin A, C and K. It has magnesium, iron and manganese which help in improving immunity. So even if you add daily, it's so good. Here I have taken one full pack of palak, 2 onions, green chilies and red chilies, butter and jeera. All these are needed. Of course, 1 cup of rice. You can either use a normal rice or basmati rice, it's up to you. Very simple, only these items needed. If you want, you can even add aloo here. That's optional anyways. And also the chilies you can modify according to your taste. So in a pan, I'm taking a big teaspoon of butter. You can add either butter, ghee or oil. I've added 1 teaspoon of jeera to it. Once it splatters, I'll be adding 1 red chili and also green chilies. I've added onions here, finely chopped. Even here, if you want, you can add aloo or any other vegetables, but this alone, if you try, you'll surely love this taste. Again, this won't be so spicy so that kids can eat it very easily. Sometimes kids don't eat leafy vegetables. This is the best way to give them. I've already washed and soaked the rice. The same I've added here. Salt to taste. And I'm adding the required quantity of water. I've taken 1 cup of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water here. Give it a mix. And I'm just covering it with lid. I'll be leaving it till 3 whistles. So this is how it looks. Wow. So our palak rice is ready. Very easy, simple, fully healthy dish. Now we'll be going for the serving part. I've again used onion raita here. You can even try anything else like cucumber raita or tomato. You serve it with hot ghee. Very, very tasty. So our next box is ready. Moving on to day 3, it is chole pulav, chole or chickpeas. Very, very healthy one. It is rich in nutrients and also contains lot of protein. I have soaked it overnight. As I'm preparing it the next morning, I have soaked it overnight. This is again 1 cup of rice, either normal or basmati. I have taken normal rice here. I have taken tablespoon of butter. And I have taken clove, cinnamon, elachi, saunf and 1 bay leaf. Actually the bay leaf was very big, so I have just taken half of it. And I have taken 1 onion which is cut into pieces, 1 green chili, then ginger garlic paste half a teaspoon. This is chole masala, normally which we use for chole, so I have taken that 1 teaspoon. Otherwise you can use normal chili powder, dhania powder also, that tastes good. This is 2 aloo and some coriander. In a cooker pan I have taken some butter here. Can you take butter, ghee or completely oil? To it I am adding little oil here. When the oil is hot, I am adding cinnamon, clove, elachi, saunf and bay leaf. And to it I am adding green chilies. Green chilies is optional. If you don't want, you can leave it. Then I have added onions, aloo, and to it I'll be adding the powder And this chickpeas, I didn't boil it. I'm just adding and going to cook it together, all together. Now you may have a doubt if it is going to be okay, if it is going to cook well. No doubt, it will be very tasty. I've added the rice here, then salt to taste. And now I'll add water, that is for 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Mix it properly. I've added little coriander, it gives very good fragrance. So I've added here. Now I'll be closing the lid and I'll just leave for 5 whistles here, because we need the chole to cook. Depending upon your cooker, you can give 5 to 6 whistles. So till it gets ready, we'll be getting ready with the raita here. All these recipes are not prepared for video's sake. It is actually for my husband's box, which I've recorded. So according to family priority, always goes onion raita here. Okay, in the meantime, your chole pulav is ready here. This chickpeas or chole or kabuli chana, very healthy. So make this mandate for your kids. This is very easy way to cook. Just give them. I've garnished with the coriander and our third day box is ready. So this is what it looks like. Moving on to day 4, it is very simple onion rice. I've taken 2 onions, 3 green chilies and little coriander. I just call it a lifesaver dish. Whenever you have some leftover rice, you can try this onion rice. Very tasty, and also you can finish it off. Otherwise with fresh rice also it goes good, and almost for lunch box it will be very. So the chopping part is over here. Green chilies, coriander you have to take little more because that adds good taste to this. Then onions, and this is garam masala, 1 teaspoon I have taken. These are the needed items, that's all. To a kadai I have taken little oil and added jeera. The camera is little blur here, please excuse me. To that I have added green chilies, then onions. After adding onions, just mix it. Salt to taste. When you're adding garam masala, please reduce the quantity of salt, because some garam masala will have salt in it already. So take care. And here I'm adding garam masala and keep mixing it. See, this is done. Very simple. So whenever you want to prepare a quick lunch box, you can try this very well. That's all. Our onion rice is ready. So I'm serving it with lot of coriander. It gives a good taste. So this is ready to go in the box. During the entire week, one particular day you may either be late or will be busy, held up with anything. That day you can substitute this, which is very easy. Nearby I have the small box in which I have prepared a tomato raita, but I am sorry I missed shooting it. Anyways, our day 4 onion rice is ready. Moving on to day 5, last day of the week, my favorite aloo methi rice. For that I have taken methi. Actually I have cleaned it, chopped it into pieces, and 1 green chili, 2 onions and 2 big aloo which I have cut into pieces. Any items with aloo, of course, children will love it. Now in a kadai I have taken butter and little oil. If you want, you can use complete oil here, and to it I'll be adding cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaf and little somph. Somph is very good for digestion, so try to add in all kind of recipes you prepare. and to it I'll be adding green chilies. This is highly optional. If you don't want, you can leave it. Then I'm adding onions. If you want, you can add ginger garlic paste, but I didn't do it here. So next I'm adding aloo here. So this is really a healthy food, because you're adding methi there. Methi is very rich in all nutrients, and also aloo is rich in carbs. So I'm leaving it to cook for some time. Basically, I love to cook all this kind of one pot meal or single quick easy recipes. If you want a one pot meal, we have some in our channel. I'll just give you the link here, you can check it. Now the aloo is almost done. So in this time I'm adding the methi leaves here. You could have noticed I didn't add water here again. It is just steam cooking. Give it a mix. And I'll just cover it with a lid. So now this is done. Here we'll be adding all the masalas. Till now I have not added anything here. So in goes salt first. Then goes chili powder. You can even substitute it with sambar powder, that will also be tasty. In goes dhania powder and little garam masala. I guess this will be kids' favorite recipe because almost all the kids love aloo or potato, and if you give them in box, it's for sure they'll finish it. I guess these lunchbox recipes will work for both elder people and also for kids. Even if you are working, you can prepare such a kind of dish and pamper yourself for the last day of work. Wow, how yummy it looks. Yes, this is almost done now. If you want to check, you can just cut any aloo into a piece and you can try it. See? So it's done. Here I'm adding the rice, already cooked rice. All the recipes shown here can be cooked within half an hour. Just rice cooking time plus little chopping, that's all. So let me know in the comment section which one of the recipe you like the most. So mix your aloo well, and here it is, aloo methi rice ready. So next comes the packing part. I'm just serving aloo methi rice with simple curd here today. I'm serving it with ghee. I guess majority people will like this dish. Do try out these recipes and other one pot meal recipes and let me know how it tastes. Do follow me in Instagram and you can share your recipe pics there. So finally your aloo methi rice is ready. Day 5 aloo methi rice is ready. I hope you liked all the recipes given here. If this video was of any help to you, then give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and do subscribe. Till we meet next time, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye bye.